Hi guys, this is Fred with Ample Electric, and I just want to go over what we did here today. Was a 20 kW Generac whole house standby generator with automatic transfer, and we've been getting a lot of questions on how these units work as compared to the portable units. So we thought we'd do a little demonstration for you here and show you what happens when the power goes out, how long the switchover is. So I'm going to go over and pull the meter and show a electrical outage, and the generator should self-start and switch the house over. So stay tuned. We got about a 5-second layover here. The generator wants to make sure that the power went out. Hear it fire up. Once it gets running good, you'll hear the transfer switch over, and the house will be running off the generator. Little click was the transfer switch. Now the house has full power and the utility is off. This is going to run like this off of propane or natural gas until the utility comes back on. I'm going to go in and reset the meter as if the utility restored power. That when it sees good voltage, it's going to switch back to the utility. The generator is going to go through a little cool down mode, and then the transfer switch just switched back to the utility. And then the generator is going to go through a little cool down mode here, and then it will shut itself down, and it will be ready for the next one. So now the generator is sitting ready for the next power outage. That's it, guys.